Inuman na tayo! Filipino! Filipino! Bebo, bebo, bebo. Kung akim. Hey guys! It's Tito Carlos!
And Mrs. Nya!
Today we are going to doing a mukbang! You know, but this is Filipino style, okay?
Yes, we're gonna be eating Filipino food and snacks.
But first, shout out to my little brother who made this Mac Film Club, his sweaters. I never went to the school though.
Okay, so before we start, we're gonna show you guys what we got.
Ano yan?
Nagaraya.
Nagaraya! Lai.
Boy bao.
Oy, masarap ito. Ano to? Boy bawang cornic barbecue flavor.
And dry mangoes.
Okay, you gotta have that. It's Cebu. Unsamandong. Bisaya. Ano to?
And ding dong.
Ding! Ding dong. Okay, here's a ding dong. Okay. Mixed nuts. These nuts?
Okay, and puto seco, I kinda had
I thought that was
one
chicharron.
or two.
Oh, you already buksan it. Buksan.
Yeah. And we
Lot to see
also have Cloud9.
Ooh,
OG
Cloud9.
knows.
Ooh,
OG
Cloud9.
knows what Cloud9 is.
I'm not an OG. I'm
And the
Chicharron!
No,
Is
it's
this
fish
chicharron?
crackers.
Oh shoot, I thought those were chicharrons the whole time.
Fish crackers from Bulacan.
Bulacan!
And we also have picnic.
Is this basically like hickory sticks?
Yes.
Oh, okay, you get those at Dollar Store.
Okay, and stick o ube flavor.
This one's the classic. You used to go in TNT when you're classic. Hey, we have Shito! We see to you, it is very good. We see to you, it is very good.
Okay, so we have C2 to drink, and it's the original flavor.
I used to have a lot of that in the Philippines. Oh, I missed the Philippines.
Story.
Oh. Okay, very good. Do we have more? Is that it? Ay! Kalimutan ko, Sarsi. Forgot this one. It's kind of langkit though. Sarsi can root beer, sweetened with
It's like a Filipino root beer.
It's basically, yeah, it's root beer but Philippine. Yeah.
You just
I
repeated what I said.
yo, I was hooked onto these ones in the Philippines.
Okay,
Okay, what do I want to do first?
go.
Okay, tigman na tayo. We try it one. Try it. Try it. Try it.
Try it one.
Try it two. Oh, we're supposed to cheers? Oh shoot. Sorry.
Divorce.
Kampai! What the frick? Kampai! Kampai! It's not that salty.
You know it's good with vinegar.
Vinegar. Oh, saan yung suka? Dati puti. Dati puti. Oh, saan yung suka? Dati puti. Dati puti.
Dato.
What's the difference between suka and suka?
Suka and suka.
It's spelled the same.
Suka is vinegar. Suka is vomit. Okay.
Bulacan. Isn't Bulacan a place?
It's very plain.
Yeah, you definitely need some short.
I feel like. Oh, I was back.
Masarap.
Ikaw pa rin pala ang hanap-hanap narapap na kahit magpanggap di matatago na ang iyong
Can do better, but it's okay. I feel like it'll taste better with vinegar.
Yeah, it's plain. You need to have it with something. So
Okay, so next is
doorbell, ding dong. You know, ding dong. So much
I
trouble.
grew up in the Philippines. There's no door.
There's no door. Oh, someone peed. Oh, ihi. Buksan it! Buksan it! Bilisan mo! Lai! Oh, you need to wait for the to tapos.
Okay, so this. Sorry, I kind of open it, so I'm holding it like this.
In my
Tulsok.
tulsak.
Okay, so this is mixed nuts.
These nuts. What's in Comic Sans?
Cornic green peas, cracker nuts, peanuts, and fava. Fava beans.
What's fava? Okay, we will get handful muna. Okay. Oy!
Ay.
Okay, so as you could see, smells like dog food.
Okay, so this is green peas.
That okay. What else?
There's
is it?
like peanuts
What is that?
and cornic, which it's like
boy bound,
yeah.
basically, right?
And I think this is the fava. You didn't even come by me. Fava beans. Come by.
Bye. Is that how you ate it back home in the Philippines?
It's a really good snack if you watch a movie.
I think it tastes very sweet and savory at the same time, but there's no salt. There's lacking salt. Okay, what do you think?
It's. I think it's a good snack for either the movies. Okay, so I'm gonna be drinking.
Wait, may alikabok.
I'm allergic.
Wala na.
Okay, I'm gonna be drinking C2.
This is the sarsi. So basically, it's root beer.
Kampai, please.
Ow! I just cut my nails. That hurt. Ay nako! Tasak!
We'll be right back.
Did you get this? Look, this is some good. Okay, good.
And we're back.
And we're back. So, a little technical difficulty. Oh shoot, sorry, open it. Kampay naman. Buksanin mo! Bilisan mo! Cherries!
Oh.
You hear the fizzing? Oh, sorry. Mike's right here. The mic's... Shit. Mike's right here. Okay, try this one.
Wala.
Try this one. You'll...
There. Okay, next is.
Why do you open it like that?
Why does it look like that?
Why'd you open it like that?
Ew, that's disgusting. Why does it look like that?
Barbecue.
Oh, barbecue.
You said to get barbecue, even though I told you I like.
Okay.
Why'd you open it like that though? We need to get a Ziploc down.
It's fine. That's
Okay.
how I open it.
Okay.
Okay, these are the boy bawang.
Ay, a little boy just fell away. Ooh.
And it's cornic. I don't really know what that is.
So good.
Oh, it's made of corn!
Yeah.
Corn Nick!
I used to eat
But
two of
who's
these
Nick?
in one, in one. Lalaki bawang.
Okay.
I love these. I could eat like 5 of these in one sitting.
Jingle bells.
Oi, it's falling! The jingle bells are falling!
Okay,
Oh my
this
God.
this one is barbecue flavor.
There's also like garlic. This is pretty the original one. I'll come pie this time!
Kampai. Kampai.
Oh no, you like barbecue now?
No, it tastes like the original. This one, lots of flavor.
Salty.
Yeah, it's good for when you're drinking with friends. You know, tambay-tambay. Inuman, you know?
Inuman na tayo! Filipino! Filipino! Bebo, bebo. Kung akin. Boy pirate. Okay, no. It's pretty good.
Nagaraya.
Nagaraya! Japanese.
Yeah, I think it's Japanese.
Japanese
But
writing.
it's-
Is that Korean?
It says made in the Philippines at Makati City.
Collab between. So, I love this. Oh my god. I could eat these all day. Bing! 11 out of 10.
Tastes like home.
Tastes like home.
I used to eat this with my cousins all the time.
Shout them out. But anyways, they're really good.
I could eat this all day, every day.
It's salty and then sweet in the middle. And there's like a texture to it. Sarap yun.
Okay. Next. Here, this.
Oh, it's basically hickory sticks.
Yeah, picnic.
I could see like my mom or I could see any tita using this as a container later on.
Oh yeah, you know Filipino. Hickory duck.
The mouse.
Are you okay there, sir?
I'm submitting.
Bye. Oh.
Okay, I think it needs more salt. If you take this, literally put like pepper in it.
Oh.
Anytime, anywhere, have a picnic. For over 75 a picnic.
Very good.
Oh, excuse me.
Oh.
Noise.
Okay.
Continue!
Puto seco, I don't know how to...
Is it like dessert?
I don't know. Maybe. But I don't know how to explain it. Okay, so this has like a dry, powdery texture. So...
I'm too lazy to start.
Okay.
Okay, baby. Bing!
It's good. It's good, right?
Yeah, I like it. This would be good with milk. Because it gets stuck. It gets stuck in your esophagus. Esophagus? Mouth? No, it gets stuck between your
Carlos,
teeth.
the science guy.
Okay, the next item we have for mid. Everyone knows this.
Sticko.
Yeah.
Sticko. Go, Sticko. Yeah, it is.
Oh, that's actually well marketed. Oh, 3, 2, 1. Oh, this is the hard part. Trying to get it out without cracking.
I got it. This is always my favorite.
Show them.
Oh, sorry.
Looks like cigarettes. Good luck getting this out all through. Oh, it's already cracked. Wow, skills to make the bills. But
This
eat all the
is
middle
my
ones.
favorite one because
Cut
it's
me
in the
off. So, like, sorry. Sorry.
plastic.
PA?
Oh!
What?
I think they put it in a plastic so it's easier to
Start eating?
take out.
So, the inside, yeah, the wafer.
This is how I used to eat it.
Oh, I see.
I take off the color.
What? I'm not. What?
Like the
Oh.
Tilo. And then sila.
The next one is one of our last ones. It's the dried mangoes. Oh wait, no, put it back. Oh my god, it's like beef jerky. Like, you know when you get beef jerky.
Cheese jerky. Say what? Say what?
It's literally like
Okay. Cling. Oh no, wait, they're like. Oh no, look! It's the big dinosaur and the little. Hi there, little brother.
Oh,
Okay, ikaw na.
Brother.
Brother, yung
Anak yan.
Oh, anak. Okay. Any in there. You could finish this in literally like 20 seconds.
I think it's because they're clumped up.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
A little ASMR for ya. Stay tuned.
Okay, what do you think about it? It's like very mango-y.
I feel like you get calories from this. It's good. It's good. It's really good.
Okay, last one.
Cloud9. Oh, very
Have you
good.
tried this?
No, I don't think so. You asked me that earlier today. What is it? In the form of what? Is it chocolate?
It's luscious caramel crunchy
Oh my God.
peanuts
I'm just gonna
and
eat all this at work.
soft nougat. Is it nougat?
Yeah.
Enriched.
Wow, nougat! Yung ESL! Very good for you! Marunong siya!
Who's that hockey person?
Ryan Nugent Hopkins.
Ryan Nougat. Okay. Okay.
Okay, go.
This is what the packaging looks like.
This is what the packaging looks like open. Very good. It's like dark chocolate, actually.
Okay. It got smaller! It used to be a rectangle!
As you can see, It's a square, not a rectangle.
It used to look like literally like that.
Well, you know, budget cuts. Budget cuts.
Okay.
It has that Philippines taste to it. You know, if you get sweet food from the Philippines, it tastes like it's from the Philippines. Oh no, I got it. Listen.
That's good. It's very chewy and chocolatey.
No, it's more caramelly.
Yeah,
It's not like very sweet.
it sticks everywhere.
It sticks everywhere, but it's not that sweet. But I feel like you still get cavities from it. The label is literally like
I need some.
liquid break. Is that the end? Tito Carlos. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, rate, subscribe. Follow our Instagrams below. You know what? I don't know if anyone used the $1 iced coffee from the previous video. Try it out. Let me know if it works. Kampai. Peace! Try speaking with a Tagalog accent with English.
No, I don't want to.
That's not
Sa mga hindi po nakakaintindi ng English, i-share nyo po, i-like nyo po, at mag-comment po kayo sa baba. At para po madaming views.
Where the hell did that come from? Okay, peace!
I